In this exercise, we will discover time remapping. We will start with this video. And we will create this video. I'm gonna play it one more time. I go to After Effects, but this time I'm not gonna create a new composition. Import file, I go to exercise 40 and I'm gonna import the video. And from here, I'm gonna drag and drop the video here. I let go, and just like that, I created a composition based on the video and with the same settings of this video. Now we have this composition. I'm gonna right click, composition settings, and I'm gonna change the duration from 10 seconds to 12 seconds. Click on OK. I'm gonna zoom out here. We see 12 seconds. And next thing we're gonna do, right now it's an ordinary video. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna right click, go to time, and I'm gonna click here, enable time remapping. I click, we see here we have time remap, we have the stopwatch activated, and we have two keyframes, one here and one here, one in the beginning and one in the end. In the beginning, we see the value 00 of the video, and as we go, we see the time changes. Here 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, and here we have 10 seconds in the time remap value in this keyframe. If we take this keyframe here and this keyframe here, now when we play from here to here, it's still the value of time remap, it's still 00. Nothing is changing. And then it becomes super fast. So it went from 0 to 10 seconds in 2 seconds, like this. And after that, from this point on, we have the same value, 10 seconds. It doesn't change, so we see a still image. I'm gonna put this keyframe here at 1 second, and I'm gonna make this layer longer. I'm gonna make it 12 seconds long, like this. And what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put this keyframe right here. I put it right there. Now it's a little bit slower. We are playing 10 seconds in 11 seconds. If I move this keyframe right here, it's gonna become even slower. I'm gonna put back this keyframe right here. Now for the first second, it's a still image. And then right when he jumps, when the skateboard leaves the ground, at this moment, I'm gonna create a new keyframe here, add keyframe. He jumps in the air, and right when he lands, exactly here, I'm gonna create a new keyframe. Now we have two new keyframes. The value of this one is 4 seconds and 6 frames, and this one 4 seconds and 27 frames. what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make this jump super slow. So this is less than 1 second. I'm gonna make it 3 seconds. I'm gonna place this keyframe right here and this keyframe right here. I'm gonna make the jump 3 seconds, and if I play now, we see it's very slow, and from 1 to 3 seconds is gonna be very fast. We went from 0 to 4 seconds in 2 seconds, so it's gonna be very fast. I'm gonna play now. Still fast, slow, and from here it's almost normal. But I'm gonna make it very fast. Right when he lands, I'm gonna take this keyframe and place it right here. Now the video is gonna go from 4 seconds and 27 frames to 10 seconds in 2 seconds. So it's gonna be very fast. I'm gonna play. This is exactly the result we wanted. Pause, fast, slow, and then fast again. And from here, it's the same value, 10 seconds, nothing changes. I'm gonna change this and I'm gonna make the video rewind from here to here, from 8 seconds to 12 seconds. I'm gonna make it go in reverse. To do that, I'm gonna place the playhead right here in the end of the timeline, 12 seconds, and I'm gonna create a new keyframe right here, and I'm gonna change the value from 10 seconds to 0 seconds, 0 0. Now it's gonna go from 10 seconds to 0 seconds, so it's gonna go in reverse. I play, and this is exactly the result we wanted. I can place the playhead right where the keyframe is and change the value one more time. I can make it 5 seconds, for example. Now it's gonna go from 10 to 5. But I'm not gonna do that. I want it to go back to 0 seconds. I want the entire video to rewind. I can change the value to 0 0, or I can delete this keyframe, select it, delete it. I'm gonna select this keyframe, Control C and Control V to paste this keyframe. The value is 0 0. I copied and I pasted right here. Now if we play, we go from 10 second to 0 second, as you see. This is what time remapping allows us to do. It allows us to play with the time this way, make things faster or slower, or go back in reverse. The last thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add a text. I go to type tool, make one click here. I'm gonna choose the font Arial. I'm gonna choose font style bold, size I'm gonna try 150, and I'm gonna write pause like this with a white color. I'm gonna move the text right here. I'm gonna go to paragraph and click here, left align text, and I'm gonna place it right here. We have pause. Now I'm gonna open this up, text. I go to text source and I'm gonna click on the stopwatch. I created a keyframe right here. I'm gonna click away and press U to see all the keyframes that I created in the time remap. I'm gonna press K to move to the next keyframe, and I'm gonna change the text from pause to fast. Now here we have pause and then fast. The video plays fast. I press K. Next keyframe, I'm gonna change the text to slow. Now we see the text slow. Press K. Next keyframe, I'm gonna change the text to fast. And K, I click away, I K, move to the next keyframe. Now I'm gonna change the text to reverse. I click away. Now I'm gonna play the entire animation. Go back to selection tool. The exercise now is finished. You go do the same and don't forget to save.